Internet Computer ICP holders, it looks like the price action of ICP is playing out exactly as we have predicted in my previous Internet Computer ICP video. Right now, it looks like ICP is indeed having that reversal which we were expecting in my previous video, and now we will talk about this price action once again and discuss what is going on, what we could expect next for the Internet Computer ICP price, and much more. So without wasting any more time, let's begin this quick and short update video for the Internet Computer ICP price. So right now we are pumping. First of all, that is great because we have respected this support zone over here, which I have mentioned. And this is going to be very important because, again, like I've said in my previous video, losing this red zone as support could be very, very dangerous for the ICP price, and that could lead to further movements towards the downside. So it is, first of all, great to see the ICP is actually respecting this level and the bulls have taken over. Now, what is the next move we could expect from here most likely? So in the next couple of days, we could expect ICP with a high likelihood to continue this move or to sustain this move towards the upside if the market conditions remain stable, all right? Because if Bitcoin decides to take another dump towards the downside, obviously ICP would take another hit towards the downside. But if in the next couple of days the market conditions remain stable, we could most likely see ICP sustain this rally towards the upside until we find major resistance at this level over here, which I have highlighted. This level, this blue zone, is a major resistance zone, and that is our short-term target for this ICP pump. That is at around $10.5. So in the next couple of days or weeks, I am looking out for $10.5 for potential resistance to kick in, and from there on we will decide what ICP will do next and make a prediction over here. But for now, that is what I'm expecting. That is the probable scenario I'm expecting in the next couple of days, because again, ICP has successfully had a bullish cross in the daily time frame MACD, where the blue line crossed over the red line. We talked about this in my previous video, and we said, ICP sellers, you might regret this. Beware, because we just had a nice signal flash right here, and this could lead to a short-term price reversal, and now we are seeing it happen. We also spotted this rounded bottom right here, which was an early indicator or an early signal of a potential reversal, and now it is playing out. So for now, I am looking out for this level right here at, again, $10.5. And from there on, we could expect some sort of resistance. So be warned about that. But so far, looking all right. Now let us move into the longer time frames and discuss what we are looking out for, what we're expecting next for ICP in the long term. So also, a quick word from the sponsor of today's video, Cryptonomy. Right now, the market is pretty quiet and many people are jumping in and out of the market. But what they're not realizing is that this is the best time to build your positions while everything is at a discount. If you're looking to stake your cryptos to further increase your positions regularly, you will be able to do that on Cryptonomy's platform, where they offer steady profits even on idle assets, thanks to its credit products and Launchpool. Also, right now, Cryptonomy is doing a massive giveaway. All of the essential informations are on their Twitter account. Right here, it says that they're giving away $100,000 in ETH and $100,000 in Sol. To participate, you must follow Cryptonomy on their Telegram groups and follow Cryptonomy on X. Make a fixed staking deposit of at least 6 months or join Launchpool by August 20. Winners will be announced by August 27th. So now we will be creating creating a new fixed staking deposit. So we're going to start with USDT, create, max, and then good for 6 months, and then create this. And the request has been sent. And now let's create one as well for ICP, and then deposit, and then create. So the request has been sent, and now let's create a launch pool contract for Bitcoin. So max, accept the terms and conditions, and then create. So the request has been sent, and now we have created a launch pool contract for Bitcoin. Also, if you guys want to gain further insight into the market, then be sure to check out Cryptonomy's analytical tools. Here they have one on Telegram, which is the Cryptonomy market updates, the research section on their platform, and they have another Telegram channel. They publish market updates in real time, offering great insight into the market and the current market conditions. Like I've said, if you're interested to stake your crypto assets and further increase your positions, you will be able to do that on the Cryptonomy platform. But again, before you try out anything like Cryptonomy, be sure to do your own research first before trying them. And if this has somehow piqued your interest, then be sure to try out using my link in the description of this video. And now back to the video. Right now we are in the longer weekly time frame charts, and as you guys can see, the structure still remains intact. As a matter of fact, we have discussed this as well in my previous ICP video, that this red zone is our last line of support, and that is why ICP is trading at a major level right now, at a major support zone right now, because like I've said previously, if ICP loses this red support zone, that could be catastrophic for the price. And yeah, essentially it could lead to more further movements towards the downside, potentially to $4 or $5. That is why I'm saying it's important for ICP to hold this red zone as support at all costs and not lose this level, because losing this level could be very dangerous. So that is why I'm relieved to see the ICP is holding this red zone as support. That is a very, very critical level, and now we have managed to bounce off of it, which is so far great news for ICP. And now we could, like I've said about a few minutes ago, now we could expect ICP to continue the sustained pump until we touch this resistance zone once again, and that is at around $10.5. But if we do talk about the very, very long term, what is my bull run targets for ICP Internet Computer? Well, we are targeting a pump to $100, and that is our target for ICP in this bull cycle. And that will place ICP at around a $50 billion market cap, which is about a 10 or 12x ROI from the price we're at right now. Obviously, my targets may differ from other people's targets, from other YouTubers' targets, but my target personally is $100 per ICP in this cycle. And then from there on, we could expect a blow off top to happen around these levels and begin the next bear market. That is my expectation. Now, I could be right, I could be wrong. That is my target. And other people may have different targets from mine. So comment down below, what is your personal target for ICP in this bull cycle? I am genuinely interested to know. And if you have picked up some sort of value in this video, then drop like. Also, I just recently launched a new Telegram group, so if you guys want to be one of the first few members to join, you can do so through the link in the description of this video. In this group, you will be receiving timely market updates and even gain the ability to connect with very many awesome people. So if that sounds great to you, join my new Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video, and I'll see you in the next